Hello and welcome to the tutorial number 12. In this tutorial we are going to talk about logical operators. So let's go and start. So logical operator basically allow a program to make decision from multiple conditions. So here I will write two variables. First one is equal to 12 and the next one is b is equal to 4. Now in the previous lecture we were adding only one condition inside if else statement. So now by the help of logical operator we can add one or more than one condition inside looping or if else conditions. So let's see. So before we were writing here if and we were giving only one condition. Now let's see. If and open parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis we are going to add our condition. So I'll write here if this is greater than b. If this is greater than b, then execute for me this message: echo your condition is right. Your condition is right, or true. I can write here your condition is true. Now by the help of logical operators I can add one more condition here. So I will say or 50 is greater than 90. Now here the first condition is true, but the second condition is false. Why? Because a is greater than b. Yes, look at here. The value of a is 12, but the value of b is 4. So a is larger than b. So here a is greater than b. This condition is true. But this condition here, 50 is greater than 90. No, this condition is false because 50 is less than 90. So by the help of or operator it will execute this statement. Why? Because whenever we add or in our conditions, so it will execute from all the conditions. If one of the condition is true, it will still execute this true statement. If all of them are false, then it will jump to the else part. But still here this condition is matching. If I add here another condition false also, still it will execute this true condition because this condition is matching still. So if I write here or 2000 is greater than 4000. Now this condition is also false because 2000 is less than 4000, but still it will execute the first statement. Why? Because still this condition is true. Let's see now. Control S and I will localhost Kabul, enter. Logical operator. See, your condition is true. So these two conditions are false, but still this condition is true. Still it will execute this statement. If this condition is also, if I change this one, if a is less than b, so this condition is also false, then it will jump to the blank screen, else part. You can see else part. So now else part is empty, that's why the browser is blank. So if I add another message here I will write here else echo your condition is false. Now let's see. Your condition is false. Why? Because all of the conditions are what? False. So it will execute what? It will jump to the else part. Otherwise, if one of these conditions are true, if I true this condition, now 50 is less than 90, so this condition is right, true, so it will execute this condition, this one, this statement. Let's see. Your condition is true because one of our condition is what? In here, this condition is false, this condition is false, but this condition is true. So 50 is less than 90. So it will jump to the what? It will execute this statement. If all of these are false, then it will jump to the else part. So I hope you understand the concept of OR operator. The symbol of OR is this. This is the symbol of OR. If we write it as symbolic, so it's okay. Symbolic or bilateral, both of them are same. So I'll delete it here. The next one is that is AND operator, or I can write it the bilateral also here, AND. In the AND operator, all of the conditions should be matched. All of the conditions should be true. So here I will change here A is greater than B, but I will false this condition. I will write here if, for example, 50 is or 5000 is, 5000 is greater than 10,000. So now this condition is false, so it will jump to the else part. Let's see. Your condition is false. So if I change this condition, 5000 is less than 10,000, then it will execute this true parts, true statement. Now you can see your condition is true. So in AND operator, all of the conditions should be matched. If one of the condition is not matching, it will jump to the else part. It will not execute the first part, the first statement. So I hope you understand the concept of logical operator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next tutorial.